The trial of 3 Singaporean women accused of organising a pro-Palestinian procession to the Istana began on 1 July before District Judge John Ng. Siti Amirah Muhammad Osrori, Msamad Sabikun Nahar, and Anamalai Kakilapavati each face a charge under the Public Order Act for organising a procession on 2 February 2024 between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. The route along the Istana perimeter is classified as a prohibited area. According to the prosecution, about 70 participants gathered outside Plaza Singapura before making their way to the Istana to deliver letters regarding the Palestinian cause to the Prime Minister's office. CCTV footage shown in court depicted the group assembling at 1:51 p.m. During this time, Msamad Sabikun Nahar and another woman distributed umbrellas decorated with a watermelon design, a widely recognized symbol of Palestinian solidarity. The participants then proceeded in a quiet line along Orchard Road, Byong Road, and Kavanagh Road toward the Istana's rear gate. Investigation Officer Mohammed Faisal, the prosecution's first witness, confirmed that while the Plaza Singapura gathering point was outside the restricted zone, the rest of the route was considered a prohibited area. Under questioning, Mr. Faisal said the event was classified as a procession because it involved a group moving in public for a common cause, using visible symbols like watermelon umbrellas and coordinated colours, black, white, green, and red. He confirmed the walk was orderly and quiet, with no placards displayed or slogans shouted. All participants, except children, carried letters to deliver to the PMO. The defence, led by lawyer Uthayasurian Sidambaram, argued the women were unaware they were breaking the law, pointing to an earlier incident on 11th January. Then, 17 people had used the same route to deliver letters to the PMO without repercussions. Mr. Uthayasurian said this lack of enforcement created the belief that no offence was committed. Deputy Public Prosecutor Sunil Nai objected, contending that ignorance of the law was not a valid defence. Judge Ng ruled that evidence of the previous incident was inadmissible, clarifying that non-enforcement in the past did not equate to legal permission. Cross-examination of Mr. Faisal established that the route was the only way to hand-deliver letters to the Prime Minister's office and that no signs indicated that group movements would constitute an offence. Mr. Faisal also acknowledged that police issued no warnings or instructions to disperse as the group approached the Istana. At the end of the first day, the defence completed its cross-examination of Mr. Faisal. The trial is set to resume on 2 July with additional prosecution witnesses. If convicted of organising a prohibited procession, each defendant faces up to 6 months jail, a fine of up to 10,000 Singapore dollars, or both. Separately, 2 supporters of the defendants were stopped by security officers at the entrance to the court building on the morning of 1 July. The individuals said they were told their shirts were not permitted, although no explanation was given. To avoid further delay, they covered up their clothing to enter. In response, supporters have advised others to wear smart casual attire and avoid shirts with slogans, referencing any cause to prevent being barred. A fundraising effort, dubbed the Watermelon Umbrella Fundraiser, has also been launched to cover the defendants' estimated legal costs of 30,000 Singapore dollars.